Nice and lovely. Welcome back to the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo's Juice Bar channel. Anyway, I'm gonna share a recipe with my fans to say, guys, you know what I mean, natural ingredients do work. First of all, I have almost a whole cucumber right here. Now what I'm going to do is cut it up very small, and I'm going to put it straight inside of my Ninja blender. This will be for like a weight loss drink. We're going to use some ginger. Alright, the first thing I would say to my fans, please remove the skin from the ginger. I would say that, please guys, remove the skin from the ginger. I'm not going to be using like a big piece of ginger. It's just a simple little piece of a ginger. And then cut it up very small. Put it straight inside of a Ninja blender like this. Get a lemon, cut it to half. Remove the skin from the lemon. Remove the seed. Just look if you see any seed and just remove it. Nice one. Add a glass of water. No honey, nothing, natural. And then blend this. And we're going to blend this for about 3 to 4 seconds and they're good to go. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I just finished blending it. 99% of cucumber is water, and then 5% is just, I would say, that's fever, like, you know. But basically cucumber is really good for detoxing your body and also weight loss. With the ginger and the lemon do works really well. I would encourage my fans to drink this one. This one is really good. Cucumber, lemon and ginger and water. Blend it up and drink this every morning. And as you can see, that looking so lovely and refreshing and nice. And you know what I mean, you don't need to put any honey or, you know, sugar or anything in it. Natural, and that is good to go. You can drink this up to 5 mornings straight, and honestly you will see some result in your life. You can blend it and drink it and bring it to work, drink it straight through the day, and it's good to go. Cucumber with ginger and lemon and water. Weight loss drink and diet drink and detoxing drink also. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. Anyway, I got a little bit of green leaf left over. As you can see, this is some mixed leaf I have right here. On this side I want to do something with it because, you know, I have it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up some stuff for it now. Peppers. I'm going to be using some yellow pepper. That's some yellow pepper right here. Gonna be an amazing recipe. And then I'm gonna put some white onion. Nice one. Also tomato. Then cucumber, I'm gonna be using one large cucumber. I love salad, man. Nice one. Spring onion. Nice and lovely. So that's all of the ingredients that which we've been using so far inside of it. And honestly, it's going to be amazing. So second thing what we're going to do, put a little bit of pepper. This is some black pepper. We got a little bit of chili, dry chili. And also just put a little bit of olive oil or your favorite oil you like to use. Give it a stir. It's definitely gonna come out looking lovely and nice. It's gonna be amazing. Simple salad, just some simple little things, guys. I'm just simple saying to my fans, you guys can do this at home. Simple salad, simple dish, you know what I mean? Doesn't complicate it to make at home, alright? So, look at this now. See this? This is exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. That is lovely, looking good and nice. Simple, easy, but effective. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas will be coming out for you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.